AI overviews dominate screen space, Gemini 2.0 debuts, Perplexity versus Gemini versus GPT. At SE Ranking, we're staying on top of the latest trends in AI-powered search and sharing insights that matter to the SEO community. We're also keeping an eye on the hottest SEO discussions happening on social media. Here are some of the top conversations surrounding AI overviews, Perplexity, and Search GPT. AI overviews are reshaping search results. A recent study by Botify and DemandSphere reveals that Google's AI-generated overviews now appear in 47% of search results, fundamentally changing how users engage with search. The study, conducted between August and September, analyzed over 120,000 keywords across 22 websites, offering new insights into the evolving search landscape. Key findings: AI overviews dominate screen space. These summaries occupy nearly half of the screen on both desktop and mobile devices. Top-ranking websites benefit. Approximately 75% of the websites cited in AI overviews rank within Google's top 12 organic results. Content alignment is key. Pages with semantically aligned content are more likely to be included in overviews. The findings suggest that traditional SEO metrics like click-through rates may no longer fully measure search performance, urging marketers to adapt to these changes in search dynamics. Gemini 2.0, Google's next big leap in AI. Google has introduced its upgraded AI model, Gemini 2.0, marking a significant step in the company's push to enhance its AI-powered services. The new model is set to be integrated into Google Search and AI overviews, with a broader rollout planned for early next year. The company has already begun limited testing of the updated AI for its overviews feature, aiming to refine the user experience. As part of its expansion strategy, Google plans to extend the availability of AI overviews to additional countries and languages throughout the coming year. These advancements highlight Google's commitment to redefining its core products with cutting-edge AI technologies. Perplexity versus GPT, the AI search debate. In recent days, users have been actively comparing AI-powered search platforms like Perplexity and GPT-based search engines, focusing on factors such as speed, accuracy, result types, and relevance. While feedback varies, one thing is clear: the diversity of web search tools has grown significantly, now offering users the ability to tailor their search approach to their specific needs. Understanding which search engine best suits your requirements can make all the difference. Whether you prioritize fast responses, in-depth answers, or specialized results, there's an AI tool designed to meet those expectations. Here are a few trending topics among users. Perplexity Pro versus Gemini, ChatGPT versus Perplexity. For even more insights, explore discussions in SEO groups, online communities, and social media platforms. A simple search for search engine name plus versus often uncovers valuable comparisons and real-world use cases that can guide your decision-making. Have a favorite search engine or want to share your experience? Join the conversation in the comments.